Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you Facebook follower settings and how to active followers on Facebook if you could not find it. It's okay. You can see here that is I have some followers on Facebook and how can I activate it. So I'm going to back and you can see here such kind of interface or home page in your Facebook. Next you can find here that is at the top of the site three dot line, so just click on it and scroll down and you can see here settings and privacy, so just click on settings and privacy. Next click on settings. Now scroll down and you can see here that is privacy settings, so just click on privacy settings. And this is the most important, your activity, who can see your future post, always make it public. You can see here this one is public. Next you can find here who can see people page and listed follow, make it public. Next you can see here who can see your stories, make it public. And who can see your fan list, it's up to you. And who can look up setting emails and who can look up your phone number. So most important, all the posts make public, it's okay. Then go to the back and another setting is that go to your profile. Next you can see here that is edit public details and you can see here that is edit option, so just click on edit. At the bottom of the side you can see here that is followers. It can be that is hidden, so make it show that way, then click on save, it's okay. Now everyone can see your followers.